Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja School online classes. Today we are going to learn measurement. Class 3rd standard, subject science. Dear children, today we are going to learn measurement, unit of measurement. How we are going to measure the height, length and width. Which unit we are using? Yes, for short distances we are using centimeters. If it is little bit more is there means that time we are using meters. And how you are using weight like that? We are using which unit we are using? Weight means grams and kilograms. Like that only time is measured to seconds, minutes and hours. Long distances used to measure kilometers. Liquids we are going to measure capacity. That which unit we are using? Yes, liters and milliliters. Like that also temperature is measured with Celsius or Fahrenheit. The unit is Celsius or Fahrenheit. Temperature we are going to measure. You can observe in this picture building the bridges and houses. Building the houses, we need to measure their height and length and width. We are going to use meters and centimeters. This is the measurement we are using to measure the buildings and bridges. Like that also temperature is measured Celsius or Fahrenheit. See, thermometer is the one object. Temperature tells us how hot or cold an object is. This is the thermometer. Temperature tells us how hot or cold an object is. Measuring temperature with thermometer. And also time is measured with seconds. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Time tells us time is a unit. Time measurement is seconds, minutes and hours. The standard unit of measuring time is seconds. In olden days, they are going to measure with like this objects, measuring time. Instruments used for measuring length, width and height. Tape centimeters, and here is we are using scale, ruler and tape. These are the instruments we are going to use the length, width and height. Long distances are measured in kilometers. 10 milliliters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Dear children, all over the world, the metric system is being accepted for measurement. Like width and all we are using measurement tape. And small, we are using small objects. To measure small objects, we are using scale. And height of the mountains, hills, we are going to measure the tape. Now, look at the picture, children. Feet. How much feet is there? That is also one object we are going to measure. And small distances, we are going to measure with scale. Inches and centimeters we are using to measure in scale. Handspan, cubite and fathom is the olden method they are using to measure the things. Handspan means like this in first picture you are looking, no, this is the handspan. And this is cubite. How they are measuring hand like that they are going to measure in olden days. This is the fathom. Both the hands stretched and they are measuring. And here units will be different when measured by different people. If small child, observe it. Here is another one boy. Here another one small boy. And here is big. See, measurement is not equal. Units will be different when measured by different people. Different people are measuring. No, this is not equal. This is different. People use parts of the body for measuring lengths. Here you see measuring the length. People use like this handspan and foot by using measurement foot. Measuring length, height and width with the tape, help of tape. Liquids are measured with measuring jars come in different capacities. These are the liquids. Liquids we are going to measure with ml, milliliters, liters, like that they are going to measure. Measuring jars came in different capacities. All the liquids are measuring to take the shape of that container only. Liquids means juice, milk, and here you can observe in this picture all these are liquids. Petrol and syrup, milk, these are the liquids. Liquids are always measured in liters and milliliters. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. And weighing scale or bathroom scale. Kitchen scale, this is the kitchen scale. Some of them using spring balance scale. This is also one type of scale they are using to measure the things. And also you can observe it. Vegetable seller, how he is measuring weight using balance scale. Okay. And here is another one scale, kitchen scale. This is electronic scale, digital scale. And normal weights. You can observe in this picture, children, vegetables are vegetable sellers and grocers they are using like this scale. This is the 600 gram, and here 100 gram, 200 gram, and you can observe it. This is 1 kilo, 1 kilogram means 1 kg. Kilo is the kg is the short form of kg, kilogram. Here is the 2 kgs weight. Fruits, vegetables, pulses and cereals measured in jars and measured in grams and kilograms. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. See, weight of the person, and then measuring with fruits. Digital scale, these are the scales. We measure the weight of solids in grams and kilograms. Solid things we are going to measure grams and kilograms. See, units of measurement. Measurement and unit. Height, length and width we are using centimeters and meters. Weight, grams and kilograms. In time we are going to measure second, minutes and hours. For long distance we are using to measure kilometers. Capacity means liquids we are measuring. No, how we are measuring? Using milliliters and liters. Temperature, when fever will come, no, that time what they are using, doctors and nurses? Yes, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now observe picture, children. Which is heavier and which is lighter? Yes, cake is the heavier than the small piece of cake. This is lighter and first one is heavier. Now observe in this picture, giraffe and hippo is there. Which one is taller? Yes, giraffe is the taller animal. And which one is shorter? Hippo is the shorter. Dear children, we are going to learn more in this lesson. Now observe in your textbook. Measurement. I am heavier than you. No, I am heavier than you. The fight becomes louder and louder till other animals in Koila National Park get irritated. The bird flies down and perching himself on the hippo says, "We will wait both of you and the truth shall come out." Which one is heavier? Yes, rhino and hippo is doing fight in Koila National Park. The birds flies, eagle flies down and perching. Perching means ಅದು ಕಿರ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. Hippo says, we will wait both of you. With truth will come out who is heavy and who is less weight. Hippo and rhino, they are going to measure. The eagle declares rhino as the heavier one, as the weight is 2800 kg. Yes, rhino is more heavier. It weighs 2800 kg. In another corner of National Park, baby giraffe is measuring his height as its father's friend, Mrs. Ostrich, says she is taller than the baby. See, measuring scale. This is the scale. I am 8 feet, 244 centimeter tall. I knew I was taller than you, but I am shorter than your father. In some years, you will grow taller than me. Yes, the ostrich told to the small giraffe, I am 8 feet tall. I knew I was taller than you. Now we know that now I am taller than you, but I am a shorter than your father. I am a shorter than your father is too tall. In some years after you will also grow, then you are also becoming taller than me. The ostrich told to the giraffe. Taller, shorter, heavier, lighter, these are all words which we use on a daily basis. We measure weight in grams and kilograms. Weights are measured in grams and kilograms. Remember this, children? We measure weight in grams and kilograms. 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. Short form of the gram is G. Kilogram short form is kg. Smaller units are measured in grams. If more weight is there, that time we are going to measure with kilograms. Understood, children? Yes. Fruits, vegetables and grocery items are also measured in grams and kilograms. These are the normal weights that a grocer, greengrocer and grocer have. 50 gram, observe in this picture, 50 gram, 100 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg and 10 kg. We use a weighing balance to measure the weight of things. Some people use a spring balance. In the kitchen, normally kitchen scales are used. We take our weight on a weighing scale. These are also called bathroom scales. See, here is the weighing. Observe in this picture. 50 gram, 100 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, like that. We are going to measure the things. Weighing balance is measured to weigh the balance objects. Okay. Some people use spring scale. And also in kitchen, normally they are using kitchen scales. See, observe in this picture, weighing balance. You can observe like this, vegetable greengrocer uses like this weighing scale and also this balancing scale. And spring scale, some of them using spring scale. The person who sells the newspaper, who will buy the newspaper, no, they will use like this spring scale. And also here is the kitchen scale and here is the bathroom scale. Last one is bathroom scale. Read the chart carefully. Milk and lassi are sold in liters and milliliters and paneer and ice cream in grams. Why? Because why they are using milk and lassi liters and milliliters? They are using to measure means, yes, milk and lassi are liquids and paneer and ice cream are solid. We cannot measure the milk and lassi in weighing scale, no. That need one container. They are hold that milk and lassi, it will spread. So if you are pour one container means it will fits in that container, and after that we are going to measure liters and milliliters. But paneer and ice cream are the solids. We can use the weighing scale. Liquids are always measured in liters and milliliters. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Milliliter short form is ml and liter short form is L. Understood, children? 1000 milliliters makes 1 liter. 1000 ml makes 1 liter. Understood? Milliliter short form is ml and liter short form is L. See, these are the measuring jars come in different capacities. Here measuring jars come in different capacities. What measures will you use to buy the following? Yes, buy the following things. They are given some objects. Here is the cookies. Cookies, how we are going to measure? Kilograms. And here is the liquid. That one we are going to measure with liters. And tomatoes we are going to measure in grams, kilograms. Okay, again water we are going to measure in liters. All the liquids are going to measure liters and milliliters. Here petrol also we are going to measure in liters. Okay, petrol and diesel also liquids. And here rice we are going to measure with kilograms. And here another one, vapors. This is also kilogram because all these are solids. Solids we are going to measure in grams and kilograms. Liquids we are going to measure in liters and milliliters. Here also this fruit pear is a solid. So we are going to measure in kilogram. And oil oil is a liquid, no. So that needs one container. Oils are measured in liters. And here is some beans, that is also we are going to measure in kilograms. And liquids, fruit juice also liquid, this one we are going to measure in liters. As liquids take the shape of the container, it is the capacity of the container which determines how much liquid it can hold. See, all these liquids takes the shape of that container only. See, here oil container is different and water bottle container is different, and here is apple cider or juice, that bottle also different shape. So, and petrol and diesel, that is also liquid. So different containers that will take different shape of that container only. It is the capacity of the container which determines how much liquid you can hold it. If a bottle or a jar has a capacity to hold 500 ml liquid, can you store 600 ml in it? Why? Yes, the bottle or jar capacity is 500 ml means can you store 600 ml in that bottle? No, liquids cannot be compressed to store more quantity than its capacity to hold. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಲೀಟರೇ ಇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 600 ಒಂದು 100 ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಜಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ 500 grams of a basin or gram flour, you will be able to shake and squeeze it, store 600 grams in it. If it basin means ಕಡಲೆ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 500 ಇರೋ ಕಂಟೈನರಲ್ಲಿ 600 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಲೋರು ಶೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕೇಸಸ್. ಎಸ್, flour in powder form can be pressed in the given container up to certain quantity. Yes. Next, baby giraffe is 6 feet around 183 centimeter tall. Mrs. Ostrich is 8 feet around 240 centimeter, 44 centimeter tall. Earlier, we used to measure height, length and width of all objects in feet and inches. Now, all over the world, the metric system is being accepted as a standard unit of measuring these dimensions. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters makes 1 meter. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Long distances are measured in kilometers. Understood, children? Long kilometers are measured in kilometers. Anandita is neatly 3 feet 4 inches. Anandita is a girl. She is nearly 3 feet and 4 inches. Mummy, that her height. Mummy wants to stitch a frock for her, So she has to buy material. She will measure the length and from Anandita's shoulder up to her knees. Only then will she be able to decide how many meters of cloth she will need. After taking measure only, she knows how much measurement of meters she need to stitch a cloth. Mr. Bakchi is a town planner. He has to plan a flyover to easy traffic movement in a cognizant area. He will have to measure the height and in which the flyover should be built and the length of the flyover. Yes, he want to build a flyover, so you want to measure the height of the flyover and length of that flyover. Write the being measured in each case height or length. See here we are going to measure the height of this window and length of this bed, and here length of this suitcase, and here we should height of this pole, and here height and length. In pencil also length. Here TV box also we are going to measure with height, and car we are going to measure with length. And this is also length. Short pant we are going to measure with length. These are instruments used to measure the length, width and height. Here we can see some instruments they are given in this picture. This is the tape. Tailors are using like this tape, and some house when they are constructing house, they are going to measure with steel tape. And here we are using scale. In school also you are using scale, centimeters and meters, and here is the ruler. These are the instruments to take the measurement of length and weight. In early times, people used parts of the body for measuring lengths. There were two main objects to these early units. First, if the units were based on the size of the body part, it would be different when measured by different people. Secondly, the various units like handspan, cubit and fathom etc. would have no connection with each other. Some of them handspan. Here you can see this is handspan, measuring with hand. From last little finger to thumb finger they are using to measure, that is handspan. And here is the cubit, and how they are using foot span. This is the foot span, and this is fathom. This is the fathom they are using to measure the body parts. Different people are using to measure the body parts. Dear Amina and Saad, we are celebrating our birthday at Balls and Balloons on the 14th August. Please come in casual clothes for an evening of fun and games. The party starts at dash. See you, Aditi and Arnav. Whose party is it, children? Yes, this is whose party? Amina and Saad. Aditi and Arnav party. What is the date, children? They are celebrating birthday? 14th August. Yes. Where is it being held? Yes, the party is being held Balls and Balloons. Something is missing in the card, and that something is very, very important. What is it? Write the missing questions in the dash. When will it start? Yes, it will start at 6 p.m. We measure time with the help of a clock or watch. The standard unit of time is seconds. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. What does daddy wear on his hand? Clock or watch? Yes, daddy wears a watch. Amina wanted to become a sunflower in the fancy dress competition, but the tailor was unable to ready her dress on time. She was very upset and decided to miss school that day. Pretend to be ill. She refused to get out of a bed That's when mummy got the thermometer and Amina was soon in the bathroom getting ready for school. Was Amina feeling, is Amina telling the truth? Is it Amina telling truth, children? Yes. Amina telling the truth? No, she was not telling truth. She is telling lie. How did mommy find out? Yes, mommy used the thermometer to measure the fever. Mommy used thermometer to measure the fever. See, temperature tells us how hot and cold an object is. It is measured using a thermometer. Temperature is expressed in degrees, degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Why measure? Children in the society had organized a chart party to honor all the mothers on Mother's Day. They made detailed plans. Who would bring what? Who would set up the tables? Who would arrange the chairs in the lawn, etc. Rachna and Palash had to make a coriander chutney since they could ask their mothers. They read the recipe from the internet while Rachna printed it. Palash read it and did not feel the need to print. Yum! Rachna's chutney was perfect. Pala's chutney had too much salt and too much water. It was like soup. Why? Rachna had measured all the ingredients as mentioned in the recipe. Palash too used all the ingredients but without measuring. He relied on this memory and judgment. As a result, used too much water and too much salt. Whether it is cooking or it is building houses and bridges, whether it is making soaps and toothpaste or it is buying and selling things in the market. Measurement is extremely important. Understood, children? Why measurement is important? Yes, everything. While cooking also measurement is important, or it is building when they are building the houses and bridges also, that time also measurement is very important. Whether it is making soaps and toothpaste or buying and selling things in the market, next measurement is extremely important. Here is Rachna's chutney was perfect because she is going to measure perfectly all the recipe mentioned in the recipe. Palash too used ingredients but without measuring. Okay, Palash is not using correct measurements, so its chutney is spoiled. More salt and liquid. Now I know we need to measure many different things in our daily lives. We measure weight in grams and kilograms. We measure liquids in milliliters and liters. How we are going to measure liquids, children? Yes, milliliters and liters. We measure height, length and width in centimeters and meters. We measure long distances in, yes, you are correct, kilometers. The standard unit of measuring time is seconds. Temperature is used to measure using a thermometer. It is always expressed in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Fill in the blanks. Now we have to write here 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram. 1000 milliliters equals 1 liter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. 1000 meters equals 1 kilometer. 1 hour equals 60 meters. 60 minutes. Here you can observe it. Piyush is 2 feet long. So you should write here, correct the option. So you should tick tall. Piyush is 2 feet long, tall. The tube light is 24 inches long. You should write there long. The dictionary has 1500 pages. It is very high. Thick. You should write here thick. Tick it, thick. You cannot wade across the river. It is 10 feet deep or tall. Deep, you have to tick it. Find out the weight of these creatures. Write heavy, heavier, heaviest according to the weight. So, blue whale is the heaviest. This is an adult now. So this is heaviest. And elephant is heavy, 2700 kg. And African elephant heavier. African elephant is heavier. You should write there heavier. Identify the following instruments. Write what each is used for. Wall clock is used to measure time. Measuring jar, it is used to measure quantity of liquids. Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Measuring tape, it is used to measure length, width and height. Ruler, it is used to measure length. Weighing balance, it is used to measure the weight. Bathroom scale, it is for taking our weight. Bathroom scale is used to taking our weight. I hope everybody understood this lesson. Thank you, children.